guys, it's jdeeuh and welcome back to, no, that's not where we're gonna start. Hey guys, it's jdeeuh. I just got to my friend's house and I walked their dog and fed the dog and stuff because they're out of town. But now I'm going to drive back home because we are going to Mexico in like whenever I get home. We're gonna leave for Mexico. I just need to drive home real quick, and today's also my cousin's birthday, so that's the main reason why we're going. We're gonna celebrate her birthday. So we just got to our resort. Actually, we got to our resort like an hour ago, but right now we're kind of just chilling. It's my cousin's birthday. So we're gonna go on a sunset cruise later at like 5:45. I brought my GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some good footage. I hope that we do the banana boat and jet skis because those are my favorite. Sounds super fun. Ate our food. Mine was good. I don't know about anyone else. I also got this necklace from one of the shops. It was like $8. I don't know. I love it. We were gonna go on a sunset cruise, but it got canceled due to the weather. What weather? I don't know, but it got canceled. So now we're just gonna go back to our resort and eat some cake. So we just made it to the beach. Right now the tide is really far back, so we're going to look for seashells and sea creatures and stuff. It's like golden hour, the sun's setting, it looks really nice. Lighting is bad. My hair is a mess because it's so humid, but I have to go pee really bad, so I'm going back up to the resort. We're gonna go pee, gonna eat some cake, probably take a shower, and then go to sleep, and that's all for what we're gonna do today. Good night from day 1. I'll see you tomorrow morning for day 2. Good morning, guys. It's currently 6:50. I just woke up. It's a little early, so I might go back to sleep. If not, I'm gonna go downstairs to the beach and I'm gonna look for like seashells and starfish and whatnot because the tide is really far back, and so all of that stuff is out there right now. Ignore my hair. It's way too humid for my curly hair, so it's kind of a mess, like in a really ugly bun. But outfit for day 2, we just went out to breakfast and we went to like the fish market and we bought necklaces. I got this one at the fish market. But my outfit, this is from Canon. These are from Pakistan. Ring is from some random shop. Both of these are from the fish market. Earrings are from Brandy Melville, and my shoes are just my rainbows. Anklet, this shell one is from the fish market, and the blue one I made at home. So I just got ready and now I'm going down to the beach. I don't know where anyone is. I don't know where my mom went, but I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna have a great time wearing this white bathing suit I got from Hollister that you guys probably saw in my try-on haul. Necklaces, sunglasses, all that jazz. Where am I going? 1. Shut. Waves are so rocky. The waves are so big and just really hard to swim in, so really no one is swimming at all except for us, but I keep getting knocked out by waves and it kind of hurts like a lot. I tried filming on my GoPro. I don't think it really worked out because the audio is really bad, but we are on the beach. The waves are just really bad. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. That's how bad the waves are. It's super fun, but I think I'm gonna go back inside to the resort just because I'm getting a little hot and you can't really swim in it since the waves are so bad. in the back, but the lighting was really bad. Also, sorry for the background noise. There's some drummers on the beach right now. I think my plans for the night is I'm going to take a shower, watch some YouTube videos, and go to sleep. I think that's it.
Life gets hard when you get down.
So I just got dressed. I'm wearing this bandeau top and some mom jeans. I'm also wearing red bottoms, which I'll show you guys later. Then I have like my scrunchie, bracelets, necklaces. I'm about to do my hair and my makeup, and then we're probably gonna go down to the beach. I look naked, swear I'm not, but let's do some makeup. I have my Glossier bag with my like 4 makeup products I have. Use a little NYX Born to Glow. You can't really tell. That's good. We're gonna go in with the ColourPop highlighter in Churro. I have highlighter all over my fingers. That's the worst part about doing highlighter. It's the highlighter that gets on your fingers. Okay, this is my makeup. I need something to do with this hair. I can tell it's already not cute, but we're gonna go with it, I guess. So, this is my hair and makeup. It looks bad. I look bad. I don't know what to do with my hair. I've never been good at hair, so I guess this is what we're gonna go with. If I'm being honest, I think that this saved my hair, because it doesn't look too bad with this. So, it's 4th of July. Right now we're on the beach. I have my 4th of July outfit on. We're kind of just chilling. I'm in the shade right now because my eyes are burning from the water. Today, luckily, the waves are calmer, so we can actually go in. My eyes, right here, burn so bad. But right now we're just at the pool. So we've been doing beaches and pool. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for the music. I'm always wearing these sunglasses, sorry. So if you've ever been to Rocky Point, you probably already know that there's banana boats and jet skis and stuff. None of them are out now just because the waves are so bad, and it's really annoying because like I want to go on a banana boat, I want to go on a jet ski, I want to go on our sunset cruise, but we can't do any of that because the freaking waves are bad.
I said it before and I'll say
Everyone's glad. I was saying we're going on the banana boats that are over there. I'm super excited. I love them. The only thing that sucks is you get salt in your eyes. Hey guys, it's now 6:54. I just came back from the beach. We rode the banana boats. It's fun. And then I tried to take a picture of me doing a back tuck on the beach. Look at that. I go, and I fall. Like, this is seriously my 3rd year doing it, and I still cannot make it on the beach. I don't know what it is. Happy 4th of July! I literally look like a boy right now, but I got a cowboy hat! Look at the sunset. Oh, you cannot see the sunset. Wow. I'm not even in the USA! We're doing fireworks right now. Kind of. We're watching fireworks. We tried to do sparklers, but the lighter we brought sucked and it didn't light anything. So we're kind of just watching fireworks right now. Oh my god. So today is our last day here. We're only here for like 1 more hour before we have to leave because we have to check out of our resort at 11 and it's like 10. I'm sad to leave, but next week I'll be in California and I'll also be vlogging my trip to California, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see that video. But anyways, that's all for my Mexico vlog. I hope you guys liked it. I don't really vlog just because it's not like something that I'm used to doing, but I had a lot of fun like capturing moments of my trip. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!